Hello everyone. Today is going to be a really interesting unboxing because in case you're wondering where this package came from, it came from none other than Justin in Sacramento, California, who films elevators and is on YouTube as Jowevator3219. So with that being said, let's do an unboxing to see what's in here. I'm willing to bet that it is going to be a vintage elevator part. So with that being said, let's open it up. Alrighty. So, wow, he really packaged this one really well. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, that sounds kind of familiar. Let's take some of this out. He even gave me a business card. But that's not what we are looking at. We are going to look at the actual item in the bubble wrap. So, let's take it to the next level. That's right, an elevator directional lantern bell. And try to identify which this one is. Okay, that is a Westinghouse Dinner Bell. Incredibly nice. So this is what it would sound like if you were to go up. And now down. That's up, and now here's down. One more time. Well, there you have it. An incredibly beautiful sounding Westinghouse elevator dinner bell. And thank you very much.